Well, I think Trad for Trócaire is an amazing idea. You know, when we came back from Ethiopia the last time, a couple of years ago, it seemed like to me that, I have to say, my friend Mike Scott and the Waterboys said to me, why do the Irish people always go to Africa? What's the story about going out to Africa? And I was thinking, well, maybe we have some kind of a connection with the famine or something like that, and maybe there's part of the Irish psyche that wants to help the third world country. It's not that. I think that globally we're all connected. We're connected to our brothers and sisters around the world now, especially with the internet and with news media and with everything. You know what's happening all around the world right now. And there's a responsibility, I think a social responsibility, to acknowledge the fact that your brothers and sisters are in dangerous plights or situations, and if there's anything you can help to do. It seems very easy for me to put on a gig. It's actually, that's what I do, music. It's very easy for me to give a gig and raise a few bob and send it out. A lot of people don't play music, so they'll come along to the gig and they'll donate, or they'll go online and they'll donate and they'll help these situations. When we went out to Ethiopia a couple of years ago, we were so moved by what we seen out there. When we came back, we put on the charity concerts and sent the money back to Ethiopia. But this time what we're doing is we're doing the charity concerts before we go out there, so we have some money when we go over there to give to the different charities that we meet. They, as a matter of course, they bring all the musicians out to different projects that are humanitarian projects that are happening around Uganda. It's on February the 25th in Barry's of Grange in North County Sligo. It starts at 8 o'clock. And Livetrad will be broadcasting live on the net at 10 o'clock. And there'll be a host of musicians, a feast of Irish traditional music, including Rodney Lancashire, myself, the No Crows, Colette Sheardon, James Wickham, and a host of other people. On the webcast there will be an opportunity to donate. There's a donate button on the page, and you know, it's up to yourself whether you want to do it, or can do it, or can afford to do it, and it's just there to help. Friday, February 25th, Barry's of Grange, North Sligo. The concert starts at 8 o'clock live, but it only goes online at 10 o'clock. So if you want to be there live, go at 8 o'clock, and it's free of charge on the web from 10 o'clock onwards, Friday, 25th of February.